Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well and watching videos carefully. We are discussing our fifth chapter, that is diseases and their prevention. Today we will discuss about the topic that is non-communicable diseases. What are non-communicable diseases? Diseases that are neither spread from one person to another nor caused by germs are known as non-communicable diseases. I repeat, diseases that are neither spread from one person to another nor caused by germs are known as non-communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases are caused by poor eating habits and bad food choices. Non communicable diseases are of two types: lifestyle diseases and deficiency diseases. First, we take lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases caused due to irregular meal timing, unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and lack of proper rest or sleep. Once again, lifestyle diseases are caused due to irregular meal timing, unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and lack of proper rest or sleep. Now, examples of lifestyle diseases. Example of lifestyle diseases are obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure. First we take obesity. Look at this picture here. You can see this person is suffering from obesity. Excess accumulation of fat in our body is the symptom of obesity. Consumption of more calories, inactive and unhealthy lifestyle are causes for the obesity. And what are the prevention for the obesity? We should change eating habits and exercise regularly, avoid deep fried foods or junk food, and eat low calorie foods such as fruits, vegetable and whole grains. Next example is diabetes. Diabetes is caused by lack of exercise and obesity, lack of proper nutrition, especially protein and fibrous foods. Now, what are the symptoms of diabetes? Repeated urination, excessive thirst, weight loss, numbness of feet, slow healing of wounds. These all are the symptoms of diabetes. We should follow a balanced diet, stop eating sweets or food with high sugar content, eat citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruits, other fruits that contain less sugar and calories. Eat lots of green vegetables and avoid fried food for the prevention of the diabetes. Next example of lifestyle diseases is high blood pressure. What are the symptoms of high blood pressure? Generally, there are no symptoms, but sometimes people experience headache, blurred vision, dizziness, and nausea. Excessive consumption of salt, excess weight, stress, these all are the causes for high blood pressure. We should avoid salty food, eat lot of green vegetables, prepare meals in less oil for the prevention of the high blood pressure. Next is deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are caused due to insufficient nutrients in our diet. These diseases do not spread from one person to another, nor are they caused by germs, thus, they are non communicable diseases. They can be prevented by taking nutrients in proper amounts. First example is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is caused by the deficiency of protein. What are the symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease? Loss of muscles, fatigue, failure of to gain weight, swelling of ankles, feet and belly, change in color of skin and hair. These all are the symptoms of Kwashiorkor. I repeat, loss of muscles, fatigue, failure to gain weight, swelling of ankles, feet and belly, change in the color of skin and hair. These all are the symptoms of the Kwashiorkor. We should consume protein rich food such as beans, pulses, milk, fish, chicken, eggs, and so on for the prevention of the Kwashiorkor disease. Next disease is marasmus. Marasmus is caused due to deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins. What are the symptoms of marasmus disease? Severe weight loss, chronic diarrhea, paralysis of legs, prolonged vomiting. These all are the symptoms of the marasmus. We should consume carbohydrate and protein rich foods such as brown rice, sweet potato, pumpkin, beans, pasta, banana, potato with skin, wheat bread, oatmeals, and so on for the prevention of the marasmus diseases. Next disease is night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. What are the symptoms of night blindness? Nearsightedness, blurred vision when looking at distant objects. These are symptoms of night blindness. We should consume food rich in vitamin A such as carrot, mangoes, rice, butter, papaya, egg yolk, milk, and all green leafy vegetables to avoid the night blindness. Next deficiency disease is anemia. Anemia is caused by deficiency of iron. Pale skin, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, dizziness, these all are the symptoms of anemia. We should consume foods rich in iron such as pomegranate, apples, leafy vegetables, meat, fish, dry foods, and so on for the prevention of anemia. We should reduce intake of tea and coffee. Next deficiency disease is rickets. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D. Delayed growth, curved legs, weakness and pain in the spine, pelvis and legs, these all are the symptoms of rickets. We should consume foods that contain vitamin D such as milk, cheese, curd and egg. And expose yourself to the early morning sun. Next deficiency disease is scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Swollen joints, bleeding gums, weakness, tooth loss, weight loss, these all are symptoms of scurvy. We should consume food rich in vitamin C such as lemon, gooseberry, tomato, spinach, strawberry, orange, etc. for the prevention of the scurvy. Next deficiency disease is beriberi. Beriberi is caused due to deficiency of vitamin B. Difficulty in walking, loss of feeling, speech problems, vomitings, these all are the symptoms of beriberi disease. We should consume food rich in vitamin B such as leafy vegetables, milk, cereals and peas for the prevention of beriberi. Next deficiency disease is goiter. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of iodine. Swollen throat, coughing, throat tiredness, difficulty in breathing, and weight gain, these all are symptoms of goiter. We should consume iodine rich foods such as iodized salt, seafood such as fish and prawns for the prevention of goiter. So, it is essential to lead a healthy lifestyle and follow healthy food habits right from our childhood to stay fit and healthy. Now, it's time for homework. Learn this question. What is the difference between lifestyle diseases and deficiency diseases?